this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2022 Mazda CX-5, stock number 60443. This ran from 05-2018 to the current shape. It's a P-wide 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a P5 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight. Front bonnet, no dents. Left front guard, missing arch flare. Left front 17-inch factory alloy Mazda tyre. Left front mirror. Left front door, no dents. Left rear door, no dents. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy Mazda tyre. Left rear tail light. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right rear tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy Mazda tyre. Right front headlight, right front guard, no dents, right front 17-inch factory alloy Mazda tyre, right front mirror, right front door, no dents, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,